All right, so there's a few things that I want to show you today. I mean, really what it is the fact that institutional money is going to be pouring into the cryptocurrencies. And what they're going to do is they're going to crash the market, buy in, and then shoot it up again. This is the playbook. Now, this video, the first thing I want to show you is this video. It's from Digital Asset Investor. It's not his video, but Glenn Beck and Tika Tawari. And he puts, there's a reason that traditional financial media is reporting the crypto crash as the second coming of the dot-com bubble. It's the Wall Street playbook, creating fear in order to get cheap prices. That's exactly what's going on right now. This video is 1 minute and 37 seconds long. Watch this, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to talk about some other things about institutional money and why they're pouring in right now.
It's an enormous robbery, quite honestly.
It's a huge transfer of wealth that's happening right now. The last time I saw something like this was back during 1994 to 1995. In the early to mid 90s, individuals were making just enormous amounts of money buying companies like Dell, AOL, Microsoft, Netscape, and some of these smaller internet stocks. And the institutions had completely missed that bull market. And so they were scoffing at these so-called lemmings. And so during 1994 to 1995, we had a bit of a bear market. And so, again, institutions were out saying that, oh, anybody buying internet stocks, you're idiotic. And so you had a lot of people selling their AOL, selling their Microsoft, selling their Dell shares. Guess who was buying? It was the institutions. If you look at a chart of institutional allocation to venture capital internet deals, it doubled between 1994 to 1995, which was exactly when institutions were saying, oh, this is just a market for idiots. Mm-hmm. Nobody should be buying this stuff. Mm-hmm. So they literally stole all this wealth that should have been in the hands of individuals that owned Dell, Microsoft, and AOL. And then from 1995 to 2000, of course, we saw $5 trillion come into the market, and the biggest bull market we've ever seen. So this blueprint of creating fear in order to get cheap prices is nothing new.
All right, so you saw the video and talking about institutional money. Now, that video supposedly was from a couple years ago, before the institutions, when they were saying it's rat poison and whatever it may be, it's going to go to zero. Goldman Sachs was like, forget it. Jamie Dimon, all of these people, Warren Buffett. But here's the thing. So now take a look at this. Nubank now allows 53 million Brazilians to buy Bitcoin. Well, Warren Buffett, Bitcoin is rat poison. And I'm talking about Bitcoin because it goes along with XRP and everything else. And here we go. Over 53 million Brazilian customers can now buy Bitcoin through the country's largest digital bank, Warren Buffett-backed Nubank. This is in Brazil. So here comes Warren Buffett. Once again, remember Apple? He didn't want to buy Apple. And now he's, owns, I think 50% of his portfolio is in Apple or something huge, 30%, whatever it may be. This is what's going on with the institutional money, but they have to get in at low prices. So they're wanting to crash the market another time and really pour ink because now they believe in it. So now is the time, especially with XRP, because, where are these banks going to transfer this money and get liquidity from? It's going to be from XRP. We already have seen all the videos with Brad Garlinghouse talking about how they're still moving forward. They're still, they're investing so much money in the infrastructure of XRP and XRPL and everything. This is where millionaires are going to be made. I wanted to show you this because when this thing happens, which is going to be soon, I hope you're following me. Hit the subscribe button because when it happens, I'm going to tell you when I'm buying. I already said I'm going to be buying under 30 cents, but I honestly think XRP could go all the way down to 10 or 11 cents, definitely under 20 cents. And this is where I'm going to be pouring everything. And once again, I own a lot of XRP, so just because it goes down doesn't mean anything. I'm looking for 2 to 4 years from now to watch this thing where it's like people are saying, why didn't I get in earlier? There's going to be millionaires made. Everyone who does this is most likely going to be rich. This is my opinion, of course, but this is what I'm going to be doing. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you at the next one.